you see the temperature is very low. Oh, yeah. Farid, don't die. It's slippery, bro. Be careful. Allah. Yeah, it's slippery. It's dangerous. But look at this. Look at the geometry. Somebody's there down. And it's going all the way there. All the way there. Oh, the bridge, the bridge, the bridge. We are crossing very nice wooden bridge with some tourists coming towards us. What is the shape of the ice? Ask somebody. Message.
I mean, don't go out in cold weather. Just stay home.
Stay home, huh? It's too cold, too dangerous. Thanks for the advice. This used to be before, like 2 centuries ago. I don't know, could it have been cave stones falling down from the sky? I don't know what happened, how it became so. Okay. You see underneath here. It's a very good place. It's a very good place to, you know, spend time with your friends. Like you can have a fire here and then eat maybe dinner or something, lunch dinner together. It's a very cozy place to sit and watch the waterfall. I don't know if they caved manually or was it just made that way. It's Iceland, so here some things are natural, nature, you know. We try not to destroy the nature. That's the, you know, keep it more attractive as it is, you know. I'm gonna take you to the water. But be careful, it's very slippery when you come here. Walk like this, huh? The hands out so you have the balance. The ice is hardened and I cannot grip and take the ice by my hand. It's so hard. I have to break it, see? It's so hard. Like if I had come with my GoPro, I would have taken very nice shots from here. But I showed you from up, now I'm showing you from down. It's the same scenario.